Troubleshooting your KitchenAid ProLine blender. While blending, if the status indicator light flashes orange, the blender is in error mode. Turn off the blender using the dedicated power switch in the back. Remove the blender jar from the base and make sure there is no stuck items in the blade. Place the jar back on the base and turn the blender back on to continue with regular use. If blender stops while blending, after 6 minutes of continuous runtime, the blender will turn off automatically and go into sleep mode. The status indicator light will turn off. Flip any of the toggle switches to wake up your blender. If the ingredients aren't blending, there may be an air pocket around the blade. Use your flex edge tamper to push ingredients into the blade. If applicable to your recipe, you can also add more liquid to your blend. If there is overflow from the blender jar, unplug the blender and remove the jar and jar pad. Clean the blender base, jar pad, and exterior of the jar. Dry all parts thoroughly and reinstall the jar pad. If the overflow gets on the control dial, carefully and firmly pull to remove. Clean and dry, then reinstall the dial. From KitchenAid.